All right, so it's Sunday, and I'm at Lake Tahoe, walking up all the steps to the top of one of the falls. It's crazy here, of course. I found a parking spot around 9 o'clock, and I'm not moving from it, so whatever I can't see around the Emerald Bay State Park area, I'm not gonna see. I'm not planning on doing a lot of hikes, and it's just too crowded here. And last night was probably one of the most frustrating nights of trying to find a place to sleep last night. It was a good 25-30 minutes out of my way. I'm gonna see what I can around this place today, and then after this I'm out of here. And when it comes to Lake Tahoe, don't get me wrong, it's pretty, it's gorgeous, but if you've traveled the country like I have, it's okay. I mean, it makes it, I had to say, put it this way, all the people just make it okay. It is absolutely gorgeous otherwise, but it is a tourist attraction. So if you're out with the family and you want a motel, hotel, or a campsite, and you want a lot of shops and choices for restaurants, then absolutely this is the place to go. But if you're in a situation where you don't care where you sleep at night, then there are a lot better options. Tioga Lake and Ellery Lake on the east entrance of Yosemite, far more beautiful, and this time of the year there's hardly anybody there. There's not paths around that area, but it's national forest land, so you can walk around that whole lake and just spend the day sitting there and enjoying it. I thought the water was a deeper blue. I thought the overall scenery was prettier. But like I said, that's just me. So it depends on what you're looking for and how many people you want around. But having seen so many things around the country in my first 3 months and over my lifetime, I'm glad I came to Lake Tahoe. It is cool, it's nice, but being here on a weekend, it just didn't work out time-wise for me. And also, it's, you know, after you've been alone for so long, being around so many people is not my cup of tea. So I'm going to finish out the day here, and then I'm going to get moving. And I'll, of course, show a lot of video footage of what I've seen and whatnot, and I'll try to take it so that it looks like it doesn't have a lot of people here. But it does. Wow, does it ever. So I took just a trail that I saw out of the corner of my eye, and it took me up way above the falls area where all the people are, and not quite sure where I'm going, and didn't plan on taking a hike, but I just scaled up that area because I thought it looked like, I don't know, maybe a trail. And maybe it was, but definitely not an easy hike. But I think, if I remember correctly, there should be a trail going from up there back down to where I came, so I can get back on the regular path. If not, I'm gonna have to backtrack and follow the river. But it's very quiet up here, and on that side you can see some people. So there must be an easy trail that goes up on the other side of the river down there. All right, so I just checked in to here, and it is Hampton Inn and Suites at the Truckee Tahoe Hampton Inn, I think, something like that. And now I get to shower multiple times and do laundry. So it's only, I think, about 4 o'clock. I checked in early because that way I can take a bunch of stuff out of the Jeep, organize a little bit, and get my laundry done before people start checking in and possibly having their stuff in the washer and dryer when I need to get in there. So they have a pretty nice setup on the inside. They've got a pool outside and a sitting area. I won't use the pool, but I might sit out here this evening. It's actually really nice temperature, probably in the low 80s here. But beyond this, I'm not sure what I'm going to do. That's one of the things I'm going to figure out tonight. I'm not sure if I'm going to go right to Lassen Volcanic Park. I think it's something like that. Or if I'm going to head a little east first and go anywhere around Reno. Because from here, I can technically just go straight north to the Lassen Park. But I'll have to figure that out tonight and then take it from there. So rather than grab a cart like I've done in the past couple of stays, well, it's been a while since I've stayed at a hotel, but I figured I'll go in the side door. My room is right up there, 3rd floor, so I'll take the stairs, make a few trips. The water's I'll fill the water up tomorrow morning and then pull my vehicle over here and load everything back up. For tonight, I like that my vehicle's out in the open. I'll still do what I normally do to it, so that if somebody wants to steal it, they're really going to have to want it. Or more than likely, they're going to have to tow it. Alright, so let's see what we got. So, I was upgraded to a suite, so this is kind of like a Homewood Suites instead of a regular room at a Hampton, so not bad. And the good thing is, I should be able to, call me paranoid or whatever, but yet I'll be able to look out and see the Jeep. That just makes me feel better. So it's even got a fireplace, not that I'm gonna use it, but yeah, nice little setup, and that's gonna be really nice. And so is that. So yeah, I am gonna get configured here. So when doing laundry, I need to make sure that I get everything done. So not just my clothes, but my blanket, my pillowcases. I've got pillow protectors as well. And then also my hats need to be done. And I'm also gonna do both my sneakers and my boots, just because it's only $1.50 a load and I only need to wash those. But they're pretty dirty, they're used a lot and very dusty right now. So may as well throw them in the washer as well. Check that out. In case you want to be on the beach, but can't be on the beach. Kind of cool, kind of funny at the same time. And they've also got this outdoor patio area. I think I'm going to sit here this evening. And they've even got gas burners. So that's kind of cool. So I am just about done unloading the Jeep up here, and I'm about to take my first shower.